Bum bum. Alright, no more. Sorry. I should go hide in the corner. Sorry. I'm so mean. But anyways, today we are doing a server review. I don't want that. Where is that? Give me that. Damn it. Today we're doing a server review, and that server is Venom Bred with Guns. This is no part to me that I need this for YouTuber rank. Yeah, no. But what? Man? Yeah. Not gonna continue with that. But, yep, today we are on Venomcraft, and I am talking in this accent. I don't know what it is or now exactly. But this is not your average Venomcraft. As you can see, it is freaking guns. Pew 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 man, pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. Half that time was just me experimenting with pause. Yeah! I should have done that right there again. Yeah! But this is Venomcraft with Guns, and when you start out, you get a starter kit. That's a reset. You get a kit like that. But I'll show you what your starter off is. It's basically, like, it's kit member. So it's like all Prot 2, except Prot 1, iron armor. Yeah, it's leather, and then you get like here. Confused them, but tools, daily, member, weekly, raid, reset, supply, and ammo. Be careful with ammo. Do it someplace that you can like collect it and put it into a chest, because there's so much ammo that it even comes out of your inventory. Let's go fight this guy. Yeah, no, thinking good. But today's a server review, so this is actually it's pretty cool. If you want an awesome server experience and you're looking to play factions, this is factions with guns and grenades. Hey. But anyway, this is Spawn. It's lots of stuff. It's donation ranks. I'll show you the donation ranks. It's the command is /buy. Click the donator ranks. Here are the ranks. You have Warrior for 5. Or, I guess it's, oh, yep, no, it's 5. Then Knight, and then Gladiator, and then Elite, and then Hero, and then God, and then Legend, and then Venom, and then Overload. Any of you Stormers out there that play on this server, make sure to ally me. VC Gods. Most original name ever. Yeah! But let's. Oh, here's Get Rage. Protect Rec 4. And it's gold. Isn't that just the most useless thing in the entire freaking world? Yeah, it is! Woo! Cool. 1 minute. Found out how to use the pause button. Yeah! This is the first time I've ever used that pause button. Whoa. And I am actually looking into some channel updates. Update time. Looking into some channel updates. I am going to be adding thumbnails to my video as soon as I learn how to do that. And I will do that very soon. A couple of days. Just now getting the software. I think my mic's okay. And I'm using a very basic mic. I think it's the Blue Yeti. Or the Blue Snowball. Whatever the frame is. But, tell me if the sound is alright. If so, I'll talk louder. Yeah. Tell me if that's okay. Or just turn your volume up so loud that you will literally break your ears. Panda. Well, anyways, back to the server review. So, this is main spawn. I think it's kind of centered around ice. Looks like that. Tell me what it is. Be awesome. Be a stormer. Guess we'll do like that. I'm bold. But this is spawn, so you spawn in here on this block, and it's like you can go. It even showcases this north, west, south, and east. Never soggy waffles. Why would you ever do that? They're disgusting. Disgusting. Utterly disgusting. Hey, friend, I'm gonna go eat a soggy waffle. Why? I don't know. They're free at McDonald's. Yeah. But barfing. Lala. Let's get back to the server review. That's like the 5th time I've said that. And I did delagify my stuff. So it's on Fetch Graphics, so it won't lag. Not as much on SC Reloaded, which I think is actually going to be a series. So I've got from a lot of my friends that they really like it. Yeah. But, alright, so you spawn. So say you decide what direction this is north. Right, this is north. I did see that. And you can go to the shop. You can also go to the gun shop from the north. This is the way I usually go. See, there's the gun sound here. Oh, you can't use guns in spawn. Isn't that just the most anticlimactic thing ever? Yeah. Oh, my ally's here. Chat, can you do that command? Cool. In ally chat mode. Ally. So then you decide to go north, and there's the custom Venomcraft lava tower. A seeded Venomcraft regular. Dun dun dun. And I'm horrible, aren't I? Hey, speaking of horrible, let's go for what the what? That's the most confusing thing ever. Let's go for 5 likes. Yeah. Holy subscriber. Subscriber. I've regained my sanity. This is the freaking dumbest server review ever. Rainbow time, yay! Let's attack. Let's look around. Alright, so this is fun. It's a gun server, but it's a server with guns. I'll show you the shops. Here is donator info. You got your donator perks and whatever you get. And all your stuff. Let's see what Warrior gives. 16 TNT, 1 creeper egg, 5 diamond blocks. That's a lot of diamonds. 1 stack of obsidian, Nick/feed, 2 set homes, $5,000, and Cricket Warrior, which is like Prop 2. And I don't know how much money, or what the sword is. Oh, what's this? Somebody has potions. Isn't that just perfect? Oh, free reset helmet and free reset armor too. Yay! As you can see, is Prop 4. Yeah. Check this in. Don't need that. Whenever I find stuff on the ground, I just have to organize it in my inventory. Don't need guns. There we go. Back to shops. There is resource shop, which is resources. No, there's Sherlock. And then we have finally the gun shop, which is snowballs. And like the resource pack, it has a download in the description to check out all the freaking guns. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. And there is $50 to get a blaze rod, which is what that is. And I don't know what the frick that is. It might be a, what is that? A wrecker. A buster. And a back scratcher? a volcanic. What is it? Rare stick. Don't want this to take too much time. It's a rare stick. What? Why is there? Oh. What are the things? Like facepalm. This is all the same texture. And it's all like virtually the same name. It's a freaking flamethrower. Oh my god, a backburner, a flamethrower, a melter, a dick grinder, a scorcher, and a burner. And then there's a pistol and the python, which is the same freaking thing too. And then there's the other eagle, which I have one example. And a smell. A smell. It's a bazooka. That's what this is. Nope. No different textures. This is a bazooka. A crank. And a miracle maker. A hitter. And a boomer. And a rocket launcher. And yeah. But that is it. And there is you can to run out to the wild. Here we have the wild in its natural habitat. You just run out there and you run. I feel like that would be an amazing time to get hurt. Oh yeah, good time to say you can have 2 bazookas in your hotbar. Yay. Well guys, that's just gonna about do it for today's episode of Minecraft. And sorry it was such a short video. I had very little time. I was doing a whole bunch of stuff actually today. Yay. That's a shame. Steven says right there. And my faction name is Acid Rain. Is it? Oh, nope, never mind. It's BC Gods. Can't spell today. Easy Gods. That's how you spell it. Pause the video, dang it. Well, yeah, that's gonna about do it. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and come out of the server. The IP will be in the description. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe if you haven't already. 5 likes.